So I was trying to be clever and put this thing where I can plug a plug into there. But technically, since my brother didn't ask a lot of questions, I had the opposite kind. So he was on the other side. He drilled a hole for me. Nice clean one. The first thing I did is string the right plug. But turns out that it's for a trailer. So now to get this through there, I have a big old fat plug. So I'm putting this little wrapping around it so I can swing it through there by myself. Now, there and there. It's gonna be pretty tough. This is not the best tape. It's pretty tough. That's what you call courtesy lip there, folks. So now, I gotta get this big old knot through here all by myself. Let it go in. And then because I measured it from my wall to here and saying that's where I want the hole. Well, because the wall goes to here. So I wanted just a little bit over. Well, shit, that put that in a different wall. So it's all fucked up. But I'm fixing this shit right now. Now that it's through the hole, I'm gonna push it in there and then pull it from the other side. Now on the other side is that. It's waterproof. I'll put a link to it on my favorite things. So see, here's the other side. Now I gotta wedge it in without tearing them apart. I'm gonna use a rusty nail to help me wedge it around. Okay, now you gotta worked it around. It wasn't easy because there's a corner. And look at that, came through. Now I'm gonna pull the cord through and take that tape off. Yeah, probably would. So now I got it cleaned off on that side. Gotta get it off this side. I don't really care at this particular moment to get this off. I'll get that off in a minute. So now, this goes to my trailer, or my trailer can be plugged in out there now. And it's tan, like this wall. So now, I'm gonna screw that on there like that. Now if you look in there, I had to go around the corner because I measured wrong. I'm going to leave the slack fall into the wall so you can't see it and I don't have to wrap it up somewhere. I'm going to need 2 hands for that, but I'm going to cut a notch there for the cord. Alright, there you go. That's it. What I'm talking about works.